Salve! Now today we're going to have a look at the Roman Herculaneum bench holdfast. There it is. It's an unusual design and it's based on a woodcut depiction of a now lost fresco from the 1880s that was lost at Herculaneum. I used to make one years ago that looked like that, but we've gone on to this pattern which was put forward by Christopher Shwarz in his book on Roman workbenches. The PDF is available online. It's quite a good read, and as you can see it's just a hoop, and people will think this bench holdfast will never work, but it does. And as with all holdfasts, always use a piece of scrap wood because it will dint the workpiece. So we'll try it on that one there. Use my hammer based on a Roman example, and what we're going to do is, if you put your hand underneath to hold it as you pull it down, it stops it springing back up. And there we have it, one bench holdfast of the Roman period. Does the job, easily knocked off. There we are, the Roman bench holdfast from Herculaneum, the Shwarz pattern.